We do. Last year at our grower meetings, we did a survey of the farmers, and we found support of the farmers to have $1 increase. So the thing that we have to do is go through a public hearing process. The law requires us to do that. We've already published notice as the law requires. And then on February 9th, at the end of our research report that we're having at the Nespal in Tifton there at the experiment station, we're going to have that public hearing. So it'll be February 9th at 4 o'clock. We want farmers to certainly feel free to come, and if they think there are ways that the money should be spent, if they think that it's a good idea and want to support that, if they have concerns about it, and want questions answered, then that certainly is the purpose for having the public hearing. The thing that we want to be sure everybody understands is that this is going to be an investment in the farms. A lot of the money is going to go toward research, to help improve our profitability, to do the things that we have to do that right now we're not having done because of the cutbacks in the government expenditures on research and extension and all of those programs. And so it's going to fall our lot to have to do a lot of it ourselves. There's no way around that. It either means that we have some things that extension and the research and the university in general has done for farmers that they may not be able to do anymore.
All right, a favorable hearing, suppose you get a good one. What's the next track on this and bringing this to a vote?
Well, what we'll have to do, the board will have to study that. There'll actually be a court reporter, so they look at the record of the hearing, they go back through. If there's anything that they have that's a concern, then they may contact the individual that made a comment or had a question. And then finally, ultimately determine whether a referendum will be held. If they make that determination, then what we have to have is 25% of the producers to return their ballot, and we have to have a 2/3 favorable vote in favor of going from a $2 a ton assessment to $3.
And so when would that, if it all passes, when would that go into effect?
Probably what you'd look at is it being in effect for the 2011 crop. So we'd have to have the referendum sometime spring to early summer, and then certify the results, and then notify buying points and everything that it has passed and that the board has enacted it.